Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to align checkboxes on your fillable PDF form using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is my checkboxes and I'll align all of them and line up. Now select form option this menu bar and here you will find select field option and drag your mouse to select your field. You want to align and here you will find this pop-up alignment, click here and this is horizontally align this line up. Also I'll align this to this vertically, this is vertically, see this. Also you can align left, right, all of them now same size, so I have to increase this one size. Now select and see this left align, this right align, again see this. Yeah, in this way you can align and fix checkbox alignment. Yeah, and finally save this file option, save or save as in fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.